Hi, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You can find a written version of this recipe by visiting my website, 3catsfoodie.com. The Japanese slipper is a beautifully balanced cocktail: fresh lemon, smooth Cointreau, and vibrant Midori. So simple, so elegant. We only need 3 key ingredients to make this cocktail. 1 part fresh lemon juice. I like my glass filled up so I'm going in with 45 ml each, and a cup of ice. Next, 1 part Cointreau, a premium French orange liquor. You can substitute it with triple sec or Grand Marnier. Followed by 1 part Midori, a vibrant Japanese melon liquor, lightly sweet, fresh and bright. Let's give it a good shake. Then, pop a strainer on and pour. A classic drink and an old-time favorite. Sip and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more and explore the full recipe at 3catsfoodie.com.